We're sitting over here opposite Burnt Top because yesterday I saw 16 head right over on that ridge on the other side. And we've got a couple hunters over there, so we had to stay on this side of it and hope the elk are moving around a little. That's Burnt Top right over there. Absolutely gorgeous country to be hunting in. Right down. This is all elk tracks. Elk tracks everywhere. Today we're over in the dead horse country of Taylor Fork. Saw 5 bulls this morning. The closest was 830 yards, and we just didn't feel comfortable taking that shot. So we're gonna hang around here and check it out this evening. Maybe be back a little earlier tomorrow. We've been on the trail for a while this morning. Sun is starting to come up. It is gorgeous. This is beautiful country. We're over in Cinnamon Meadow area now. Well, we got down here. We saw quite a few elk, one little bull. We didn't get him. Isn't this beautiful? This is Taylor Fork country here now. The Buck Creek area. Well, we're sitting here this morning on the last day of our hunt. watching this area that we've seen quite a few elk travel through. Had about a 4 to 5 mile ride to get here this morning in the dark, and hopefully this pays off, because today's the end, but it's been fun. There are elk all over on this hillside. We're still looking for a bull. Well, this may be the last day for elk hunting for me for the season. We got back from the Taylor Fort country, and I'm up here in the South Fork of Two Medicine. I skied in here, just looking for a cow today for a little bit of meat in the freezer. But I'm not finding any signs this morning. Well, the wind is blowing to beat heck. I didn't find any